How's it going, guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the D-Line 39-inch half-round cord cover. Thank you to Best Buy for sending me this product for free to try. This is the 39-inch cord cover. It has a double-sided foam sticker pre-installed along its entire length on the bottom. The blue backing sheet is a bit tricky to get off, but once you have a corner up, it peels off cleanly. On top, there is a protective film over the whole strip. There's a seam on one side, and this is where the cord cover opens from, as it's a one-piece hinge. This makes it easy to place your cables inside or remove them later. The width is about 1 inch and height around half an inch. Its click and lock opening also stays firmly shut when snapped back together. It is made of a durable but slightly flexible PVC that feels sturdy but doesn't bend. Here's a lamp cord that I have running across the floor from the outlet to a light. With this cord cover, I can enclose the cord inside, including any excess, as the interior chamber comfortably fits 3 to 4 wires of a thick gauge. The cover doesn't deform or compress when walked on, though if you don't use the adhesive, the cord cover will slide around. Though note that the foam sticker is one-time use only, as it's likely to be damaged upon removal. You can, however, mount it to any flat surface, like hard flooring, baseboards, or vertically on walls. Once fixed in place, the cover successfully allowed my robot vacuum to go over the wires and not get stuck, albeit with a little bit of effort by the vacuum. The cord cover is also paintable to match wall or molding colors to further conceal it from view, though the white color was fine for my room. You can also cut it to size or into multiple pieces to meet your needs. Overall, it worked well for preventing my cords from being a trip hazard or getting caught in our vacuum, and it also makes things look neat and tidy. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.